is true.
Concerns about the deadly coronavirus officially hitting the U.S. Here's what we know.
The latest on the coronavirus emergency.
And now to the latest on the coronavirus.
This in a surprising move. The NBA announced it is suspending the rest of this season because of COVID-19.
Across the country, a growing number of states have closed schools in response to the coronavirus outbreak.
That's why Executive Order 20-02 that I just signed will begin the process of closing our schools starting tomorrow.
This also means no school activities or athletics. Of Minnesota and Wisconsin, both states do not have any classes today. They're in the process now of switching to online learning.
Close schools for the rest of the year. Today, Minnesota's governor did the same.
I was running with the set, yeah. Running with the set, yeah. We don't never flex with the script, hear me? No. What did you expect? I don't need respect, I'm the threat. Tell them I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. Nappy head, no shame on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got running through the right back where I started with it. I've been known since college with it. They hit the club, I hit religion. Jesus, I'll admit it. I just give them living rest. You just give them Insta snaps. Do we need another post? You insecure, you do the most. On my side, we revive God through the Wi-Fi. T'Challa Pata never colonized, round the high fives for the top God made us dangerous. Ain't the bust flame, but does every angle bring to us gangs of us trained to trust a name that's bloodstained on us. Christ gained on us. I was running with the say, yeah. Running through a chain, yeah. Real flex, we invest, hear me, yeah. This is what you get, yeah. I don't need respect, I'm the threat. Tell them I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. Nappy head, no shame on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains. Look at my neck, boy, no chains. No shame. Rapper, I'm happy and Jesus love me, ain't nothing left to conform to. Yeah.